Hi guys, it's CP and today I'm going to be making pork sinigang on the Instant Pot. Sinigang is a tamarind based soup, so it is a little sour, but it is one of my favorite Filipino dishes and I hope you guys enjoy it too. Sinigang was the second Filipino dish I ever learned how to make and it's super easy. And honestly, we're gonna be using this packet. Sinigang packets are amazing to use. Most Filipino packets are, but like sinigang is like tried and true. I have this always in my pantry. Like I always have sinigang packets. I think I probably have like 3 or 4 now. But yeah, these are super cheap. These are only $1 at your grocery store and you just add it to your base and it's perfect. I think I've only came across one sinigang in my entire life where they made it from scratch, where they use actual tamarind. And I know that's super complicated to make and it takes long. And so nothing wrong with a little packet, right? These ingredients I'm adding to the sinigang is, I think, relatively easy to find. So, you know, it's a good base. A lot of the other ingredients are a little bit more difficult to find. You usually have to go to your Asian stores or even a Filipino supermarket to get that. And so these ingredients I sometimes see at Lucky's, maybe not the bok choy, but I did get this at an Asian market, so who knows? Make sure you guys click like and subscribe and let everyone know, hey, here we are. Sinigang from a packet, y'all. Nothing wrong with that. First, you're gonna start by clicking saute. And you're just, oops. Do that for 10 minutes. Next, you're gonna add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Once that's hot, you're gonna add your pork spare ribs. I have about 2 pounds of pork spare ribs already cut from the market. And we're gonna add this to the pot to brown. You just wanna get all 4 sides. Just wanna switch it out and brown the next batch of them so you don't have it overcrowded. You'll just want to slide the meats over a bit just so that it doesn't get stuck to the bottom of the pan. That's about a minute and a half on both sides. They are starting to get browned on the skin. After you finish browning your meat, go ahead and add half an onion, chopped. And cook that until a little translucent. And add 2 tablespoons of garlic. That's minced garlic. Add 1 tomato. Now I'm gonna add back all the meat. I'm gonna add 8 cups of water. Throw on my lid. Pressure cook for 20 minutes on high. At least for about 6 minutes. Just go ahead and quick release the remaining. Next, I'm gonna work on skimming out the fat from the top. You won't be able to get all of it, but you know, the most you can, the oil, be better. And then hit saute, and you're just gonna saute for another 10 minutes. Next, we're gonna add our instant sinigang mix. They have different brands. This is just the one I so happen to have at home. And I'm gonna add the whole packet. Stir. Next, I'm gonna go and add 2 tablespoons of patis or fish sauce to help give it that extra salty taste. Next, I'm going to add in some string beans. This is about 2 cups of long beans. After about 2 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 Chinese eggplant. So after about 2-3 minutes, next I'm gonna add bok choy. So now that you got the bok choy inside, you'll just want that to sit for another 2 to 3 minutes. Once that's ready, then you are done, and you're done cooking sinigang. I usually like to have a separate bowl for my plate of rice when eating sinigang so that I could sip the broth. So here we have it, pork sinigang. We have all of our vegetables and meat in our bowl and soup alongside with white rice. Here on the side we have a little dipping sauce. It's patis, and I put some Thai chilies in there. Sinigang sometimes has a kick to it, so sometimes there'll be jalapenos. I didn't have any jalapenos on hand, and I didn't want to add the Thai chili to the sinigang directly. So I've added the Thai chilies to the patis itself. Sinigang is one of the easiest Filipino dishes I think there is to make, and so I hope you guys give this one a chance. It does require a little bit more work compared to like adobo, but I think in terms of getting your way into cooking Filipino food, this is a great starter, especially if you get to use a packet. Let me know in the comments below if you guys try this out or if you add anything else to your sinigang. Alright, later guys!